friends! Today, gagawa po tayo ng banana cake. And this banana cake was requested by my nephew. So, today, hindi po natin gagamitin ang oven. But, today, we are going to use the rice cooker. So, simulan na natin. For banana cakes, we need 1 cup of flour or harina in Tagalog. And then we need 1 cup of brown sugar. And then we need 2 eggs, 100 grams of melted butter. And then we're going to need just 2. If you wish, if you want, you can use 3 bananas. Let's start. But before that, we also need 100 grams of roasted walnuts. I forgot. Sorry for that. First, let's mix the butter and brown sugar. Mix it properly. And just want to mention this is also my very first time making a cake in a rice cooker. So I am also nervous and excited. Add the beaten eggs and again mix properly. Let's put 3 tablespoons of milk. And again, mix. Add 1 cup of sifted flour and 1 sachet of baking powder. Mix properly. Now add 2 bananas and mash. Let's put 1 more and mash again. Now let's add 1 cup of roasted walnut and mix again. Now we need to spread some butter on the rice cooker pot. Like this. And then put the mixture. Cook as normal as you cook your rice. Now let's wait. Akimasu. Okay, 大丈夫かな。開けますよ。どうだろう。It's like pancake. どう？見る？ちょっと見る？どう？あ、できてるできてる。Wow, it's good. Yay! Wow, very fluffy. Wow, masarap yan. Wow. Please comment down below if you like this kind of video. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this with your family or friends. Mata ne!